Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get a soundboard in Gorilla Tag on Oculus without using a PC. Let's get started. Number 1, download the tools. Open the MetaQuest browser and search for Gorilla Tag Quest Patcher APK. Download it from a trusted site like SideQuest or GitHub. Number 2, install Quest Patcher Mobile. Use an APK installer app like Bugjaeger to install Quest Patcher on your headset or from your phone. Number 3, enable developer mode. On the Meta app on your phone, go to your headset's settings and turn on developer mode. Number 4, patch Gorilla Tag and add Soundboard mod. Open Quest Patcher, patch Gorilla Tag and install a Soundboard mod like Shiba GT or Monkey Mod menu. Number 5, add sound clips. Upload MP3 or WAV files into the correct mod folder. Number 6, launch the game. Open Gorilla Tag and use the soundboard in modded lobbies. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a soundboard in Gorilla Tag with no PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.